This is an informational text called Little Critters Butterflies. Now, informational text will give us facts about butterflies. And this one was written by Lisa J. Amstutz. And if you notice, the pictures are actual photographs of real butterflies. All right. Now, on the first page, we see a table of contents. And on that table of contents, it has different topics that we can read about. So I want you to think about, what question do you think you can ask when we see flying by? Flying by starts on page 4. What do you think they're going to tell us about? Maybe what animal or insect is flying by? Maybe how can you tell which insect is flying by? So those might be some questions that you would ask. Let's read that section and then we'll think of it. Flying by. Look, what is flying by? So there's a question. It is a butterfly. Now, how do we know it's a butterfly? That's a good question. Because a butterfly has 4 wings. Soft, colorful scales cover them. So there's a real close-up of the butterfly's wing. And there's our butterfly. Brr, the air is cold. A butterfly warms up in the sun. Then it can fly. So when it first comes out of the chrysalis, it has to. Now, the next section is called lunchtime. What kind of question do you think you can ask about lunchtime? How about, what do you think a butterfly has for lunch? Or what does a butterfly eat? Maybe it'll answer how it gets its food. These are some questions. Here we go. Lunchtime. 2 antennas smell for food. Does this flower have food? Yes, it does. All right, so there's a question. How did it find its food? It used its antenna to smell. Slurp. A butterfly drinks nectar through a long tube. So look, now we know how it gets it. It slurps it up through this long tube. And we know that what it's drinking is the nectar from the flower. So that's how and what it eats. All right, and let's look back at our last section. It's called growing up. What do you think we might learn about when butterflies growing up? How do they grow up? This might have to do with what are the stages that a butterfly goes through? All right, let's look at how a butterfly grows up. Tiny butterfly eggs hang from a leaf. A caterpillar will come out of each egg. So there are the eggs, right? Okay, then we have the chrysalis there. See the butterflies laying the eggs there. All right. Chomp. It eats leaves. It grows so fast. So there's our caterpillar eating leaves. Soon it makes a case called a chrysalis. Inside it turns into a beautiful butterfly. All right, we might ask, what is a chrysalis, right? A chrysalis is where a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. And then finally, the new butterfly waits. Its wings must dry. Then it flies away. Goodbye. So boys and girls, it's important to help yourself ask questions when you're reading. All right, and that you'll read to answer your questions in your mind. All right. Hope you enjoyed this and hope you can create some other questions and read more information. And here's more factual internet sites for you. Have a great day.